Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to allow share a story as a message in Instagram chat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Stories you share in a chat have the same visibility setting as other posts you share. For example, if you have a private account, only your followers can see your story as a message. You can choose who can view and share your story by adjusting your story settings. So, first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. Tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on Settings and Privacy. You can scroll down. There is an option, Sharing. You can tap on that. You can tap on Sharing. You can see there is an option, Allow Story Sharing in Messages. The toggle is unactivated. You have to activate by tap on the toggle like this. And when this is on, people can share your story in a message to someone else on Instagram. When someone shares a story with you, you will see it in your chat list. When the original story disappears from the app, it will no longer available in your chat. So, if you make a story, anyone who sees your story, they can share your story to the other from chat. So that is how to allow share story in Instagram chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!